Okay, so how to insert image from external sources, just like YouTube and Spotify. So we're going to take this example right now. So we go to Spotify. Okay, so we're in Spotify. Now select or just pick one song, okay, that you want to embed in your web page. Okay, so for example, this one. So you go to this option button, the three dots, click that and go to the share button. So you're going to see copy song link or the embedded track. Okay, so now we want to embed this in our page. So we're going to click the embed. Okay, so now in here, you'll see the actual design. Okay, so the green, the text, the heading, the paragraph, the button, and so on. So this, in this section, you can see the appearance. This one. Yeah, the size. Okay, so percentage, kung gaano siya kalaki lalabas sa ating web page. Okay? So, sasakupin niya ba yung buong page nyo just like from here to here. So, 100%. Okay? So, you can just say compact naman. So, yan. Ganyan. So, ngayon, normal. So, let's just say 50%. Like that. So, ganyan siya lalabas sa page natin. Okay? So, ngayon, let's just say 80. Okay, so ganyan. So ngayon, balik lang natin sa 100. So, mas maganda siyang tingnan. Okay, so yan. So ngayon, after nyo ma-fix yung gusto nyong appearance niya, so for example, just like that, so you go to show code, and then in here sa baba, you'll see the iframe element. Okay? So dito, meron din tayong style attribute, meron tayong SRC with its URL, ibig sabihin yung URL ng video na to, and then the width, height, attribute, frame border, allow screen, full screen, okay? So, allow autoplay. So, ibig sabihin, pwede siyang mag-autoplay, okay? And etc. Now, ito yung i-copy natin. So, click the copy button, okay? Once copied, go back to your or proceed to your text editor. So, it's either Visual Studio Code, Notepad, or Sublime. So, it's up to you. Now, paste it there, Control Bing Victory. So yeah, and as you can see in our output, it's automatically inserted. So if you click play, so it is played. Okay? So what's good in embedding videos from other sources is that already has the CSS or the style. Okay? So ngayon, punta naman tayo kay YouTube. So when it comes to YouTube, so there's two options. So your video will be embedded or your video will be not embedded. So when will it won't be embedded or hindi ka papayagang mag-insert or mag-embed ng video ni YouTube? Okay, so for example, in this kind of video, yes. So this one is not legally Taylor Swift, but pinapatugtog niya, may compilation siya ng kanta ni Taylor Swift. Okay, while this one naman, so like this, okay, so this one. So as you can see dito sa baba, so it's under Taylor Swift name or property ni Taylor Swift talaga, okay? So ipag ganito ang case class, so ang mangyayari is it won't be shown uh in the what they call this in the page, okay, if we embed this. So kasi most of the artists piniplay lang nila yung video nila or yung music nila or yung kung ano pa man, okay, yung media nila sa isang platform kung saan pinapayagan nila yon. Okay, so now if we're going to embed this video in our page na kung saan hindi niya naman pinapayagan, so ang lalabas is ganito. Okay, so let's just embed this. Now how to embed? So go to share button rather, then embed. And then, as you can see dito, may iframe na naman tayo. Okay, so kasi iframe yung ginagamit to insert embedded videos from outside sources. Okay? So, pag kinapin natin ito, so supposedly kasi class, ito yung makikita natin sa ating, what do you call this? Sa ating page pag in-upload na natin siya or pinis natin siya. But then again, kasi nga, dahil probably hindi niya tayo papayagan kasi most artists nga ganon. So, probably hindi natin makita. So, ngayon try muna natin. So, from YouTube, paste it here. Okay, so as you can see, ayan, hindi nga. Okay? So, sabi dyan, video unavailable. So, ngayon, you need to click watch YouTube pa and then dadalhin ka niya sa YouTube para ma-view mo yung mismong video na yon. So, if I click, wait lang, open natin sa browser. So, yan. If I click video or watch video, so yan. So, dito na ako sa YouTube. So, nag-open siya ng panibagong tab, dinala niya ako kay YouTube para mapanood ko. Kasi, probably sinat siya ni Taylor Swift na ganon. Or yung agreement nila ni YouTube ay ganon. Okay, so, pwede lang kay YouTube siyang ma-open. So, not in the other pages na i-create ng kung sino man. Okay, so ngayon, itry naman natin yung isang video. Yung nanggaling sa ibang tao, pero may kanta din niya. Ayan. So, just like this one. Kay Marina. Okay, so meron lang siyang 800 something followers. Now, if you click share and embed and copy link again and go back here. So, dito natin siya sa baba ilagay para makuha niyo yung difference. Paste it below. Magiging itsura niya. Aba, ayaw din. Okay, so ayaw niya ding payagan. So ngayon, kuha pa din tayo ng, or kuha pa ulit tayo ng panibago. Ayaw din ni Marina. Okay, so ngayon, kuha tayo ng bago. Let's just say this one. Hanggang sa may makita tayong pwedeng ma-embed. Okay, so copy. So as you can see, hindi naman siya nag-block. Okay, so probably gagana siya. Ayan, nag-block. So ngayon, try din ulit natin. See. Okay, so gumana naman pala. Okay, so yan. So yon. So most video kay YouTube ay ganon. Okay, so pag hindi inaalaw ng mismong artist or nung mismong nag-upload na, pwede siyang ma-open sa ibang pages. But then again, katulad nito, so pwede siyang ma-open sa ibang pages. Okay, kaya nakikita nyo. Kaya pwede natin siyang i-play dyan at sa browser mismo pala. Sorry, show preview ako eh. So dito, pwede na akong i-play. Dito mismo sa page natin, mag-play din siya. Katulad nung nakuha natin kay Spotify. Okay, so yun. So, basically, ganun tayo mag-embed ng video when it comes to uh, external sources like Spotify and YouTube. So, and other sources. So, just look for the embedded code. Okay, or embedded iframe nila. Okay, so yun. So, that's it.